Hello, and welcome to the fascinating world of the Internet. Now get prepared to learn some amazing facts about it. The Internet and the World Wide Web are not the same thing. The Internet is a massive network of computers. The World Wide Web is a means of accessing and sharing information across it. Almost half the world's population are Internet users. Almost half of those are on Facebook. Close to half, 48%, of all Internet users are from Asia. China has a treatment center for Internet addicts at a military hospital in Beijing. Over 8.7 billion machines are currently connected to the Internet. Among them are smartphones, tablets, desktops, servers, car GPS units, wristwatches, and even refrigerators. Facebook currently has 1.86 billion users. If it were a country, it would make the most populated country on Earth. That's all for now. I hope you've enjoyed. How do you feel about these facts? Are they new to you? Are they surprising?